Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to edit text in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Pixlr where we can get started with logging into your account. So to be able to use the image editor for text, we'll need to go ahead and log into your account. So here in the upper right corner, you'll have the login option that you can use, or if you do not already have an account, just go and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page, and we can now get started with opening the photo editor. So let's go ahead and click the photo editor right here. That's going to open up a new tab where we can get started with opening an image that we want to use. So you want to select the image from your PC where the text is that you want to edit, or you can just select an image and then add the text yourself. So I'm going to open up this image right here. As you can see, I have no text, but it works the same. So basically guys, if you have text in your picture, you can get started with using the effects. If you do not have text, you can click the text option right here and get started with adding new text. So click the add new text button if you want to get started with writing whatever you want. And guys, here are all the fonts that you can use. So here are the effects that you can use for editing your text to choose however you want it to look. So go ahead and play around with it to see how it works and what works the best for you. But yeah guys, after that, just go ahead and save the image and you can get started with downloading and using it and so on. So let's go, that's how you do it guys. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.